Hello everyone, welcome back a new video. In this video I will show you how to create Valentine preset. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe now, and expect you support. So let's start editing.
Audio Jungle.
Open Lightroom Mobile. First go to Basic Adjustments, then now go to Lights. Decrease contrast to -82. Highlight to -81, and shadows to 97. Whites to 40, and last blacks 43. Next step, go to curve adjustment, following the steps. Done. Next select color panel. Little increase temperature and tint +11. Vibrance to 10 and saturation to -11. Then select mix adjustment, select red color hue down to -20. Saturation to 80. Select orange hue to -24. Saturation to 10, and luminance 54. Move to yellow color, hue and saturation to -100, luminance to 19. And select green, -100 hue and saturation, luminance to 30. Select cyan color, hue and saturation -100, 26 to luminance. Select blue color, hue down to -100, and saturation to -62. Then move to purple color, hue and saturation to -100, increase luminance +36, select magenta color, hue to +90, and saturation to 44. Then increase luminance to 40. Perfect, done. Then next step, go to Effects panel. Texture to 42, and clarity to 14, and dehaze 16. The last step, go Details panel, increase sharpening to 27. Noise reduction to 22, and color noise reduction to 33. Finished. Let's see before and after. Before and after. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. Please leave your comments about this video in the comment box. See you next video.